sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to glasses or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Remain open until midnight. And Disney's California Adventure will remain open until 10 p.m. Driver, you are cleared.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you're here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, in the theme park, or in the downtown Disney district. If you brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your tickets. Just ahead is the downtown Disney district with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your steps, and exit the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Once again, folks, please remain seated with all the doors closed until the tram has come to a complete stop. Please do not. Once again, please remain seated with all the doors closed until the tram has come to a complete stop. And I have indicated it's safe to exit on the driver's left-hand side, driver's left-hand side only. Once again, folks, you guys will be exiting to your driver's left-hand side and your driver's left-hand side only. Please gather all of your belongings and while exiting the tram, lower your head and watch your step and have a magical rest of your day, guys.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas. manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pal tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pal parking structure. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments. Once more, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. We'll be exiting through the driver's right-hand side and right-hand side only when I've indicated it to stay clear of As a reminder, we'll be exiting through the driver's right-hand side and right-hand side only. Gather all belongings.